Okay, today we're looking at something from, I don't know if the company is called PanBrain. I think they are PanBrain Tech. This is, it's like it's a something we wear, but the idea is that it says that we only have to wear this for like 8 minutes a day, and it should help us improve our sleep, become calmer, and have sharper focus. So we should be able to fall asleep 30, as it says here, 30 to 50% faster, boost your deep sleep 15 to 22%, and reduce night awakenings 40 to 80%. We should be able to reduce stress 30 to 40, lower anxiety up to 40%, improve your mood up to 35%, and focus, again, extended focus, feel higher energy levels. That one would be nice. And improve work efficiency. Again, 30 to 40%. I'm completely down for anything that's going to make me just feel more awake throughout the day, so I don't have to necessarily rely on 19 cups of this, right? So, anyways, this is it. This is what comes in the box. This is PanBrain. So it looks like just a little product here. That's it. It's got like an on off, it looks like, and a plus and a minus. What do those do? I don't know. This is the unboxing part. I will try it out for like maybe a couple days to see how it is. That's that. No manual, no anything. Really, nothing. Now this is a Kickstarter right now. So this, my guess, is a pre-production model because yeah, there's no manual in here. There's no how do you. This is how you use it. This is it. So I don't even know. I have no idea how this gets works. It doesn't even come with a USB-C cable. You have to supply your own cable, I guess. Like there's nothing in this box except for this, which goes there. You get this, which says left and right. I'm guessing these go over your ears. So as you can see here, there's a right and a left. So you just make sure that your left and right match. So this is going to go up your nose. So I'm going to say this way, possibly. Does it work? Is there a top and a bottom? My guess would be it should just fit in there. Maybe it only goes in. There we go. It only goes in one way. So just kind of be aware that that's the way it goes in. These are like smaller on one side, bigger on the other. So yeah, there's only one way it can go in. So if you're like me and pushing it in the wrong way, that's why. Anyways, that's that. This, I guess, goes in your nose. Holy, those are like, please, so those are adjustable. Okay. I'm just gonna adjust this so that it's fits my, I don't know, massive head, I guess. I don't really know. Doesn't feel like there's a lot left in this little thing here. I don't know if this is supposed to stimulate my brain or send electrical, because it does. I don't know. There feels like these are little things that are, maybe it's light. Okay, so I gave it a little bit of charge. I don't know if there's an app or not. I downloaded some app, but I don't know if it's the right one. I tried to even find my own country in Canada, and it didn't show up. So I'm like, forget it. Again, if it is the right app, which it may not be, I don't even know if they have an app. It's early, I guess. Anyways, on the side we have a plus, a minus, and a power. Supposedly this tells us what mode we're in. So if we're like recharging or getting ready for sleep or whatever, again, a plus and a minus button. What do they do? I don't know. I'm guessing this is a speaker on the bottom. So let's see if we can power this on. So we'll just tap, 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 tap.
Welcome to Urizel PanBrain LUME. Please wait for wearing detection.
Okay, so it's touching
properly. The current therapy mode is sleep mode. Start working soon.
So I guess I can use these to go through them.
Sleep mode. Sleep mode.
Okay.
Mood mode.
Mood mode.
Cognitive mode.
Cognitive mode. Let's do cognitive mode because I need to wake up this morning. Okay. I don't know what the pluses and minuses do. This must just be volume. Okay. Is it doing anything? I want to say it is because the inside of my nose feels like it's getting warm. I'm curious. I am curious. Like, is there anything?
Not worn properly.
Oh.
Therapy paused.
So I guess it was. I guess it was working for my cognitive. So you could tell it actually kicked in and said, "You're not wearing it properly."
Please wait for wearing detection.
Hold on.
Worn properly. The current therapy mode is cognitive mode. Start working soon.
So I do wish there was some. It says start working soon, which is great. But I wish there was something outside of the voice that told, like, there was an indicator that it says, yeah, we're off to the races. A manual would have been handy. But you do feel inside your nose it get warm, which is bizarre a little bit. It's like you have a heating element in your face up there. But I am curious, like, there's, again, I don't know if there's an app or anything like this, so I don't know, like, if you had an app that kind of showed you what was happening, like, do I have to set a timer? It says 8 minutes, do I have to set a timer for 8 minutes? Do I have to stop this? And if I plug it in because it's dying right now, let's say, right? Does it stop?
Power is on. Charging.
So it's charging, but does it stop my cognitive recharge? I don't know. Unplug, and it turns off. Why can I not charge and have my brain charge at the same time? Because now I got to turn it on again.
Please wait for wearing detection. Wearing properly. The current therapy mode is cognitive mode. Start working soon.
Okay, and if I go back down, mood mode. Again, there's nothing that says, like, starting in 3, 2, 1, boom, off you go, or this changes color to something else that tells me we're in a different, it's working, it's functioning, it flashes that says, yeah, we're off to the races, we're doing what we're supposed to be doing. There's just nothing there. So we have a plus and a minus, and the plus goes this way, and the minus goes this way. It seems like two awful big buttons to go, clockwise and counterclockwise, especially when there's only 3 things. There should have been just a mode button. Click, 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 click. You go through. This is, I guess, volume. I don't even know. It seems, yeah, it's volume for sure. And then your power off button. Anyways, I'm going to wear this for the next 8 minutes, I guess, to see if I'm calmer, because I switched it to that. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm still wearing it. I've actually run it through 2 modes, the cognitive mode and the relaxation mode. And yes, after 8 minutes, it just tells you it's going to shut down and that it's done. And then if you feel like it, you can take it off. So I do like the fact that it's kind of warm in your nose, and it is fairly comfortable. If you have a bigger head than mine, you may start getting to the limits of what this band can actually do. So that may be something that they want to look at too. I'm hoping that it does come with a manual. Anyways, so far kind of cool. Again, mine came with no charger. I would like to see this have the ability to be plugged in and charging and still be able to use it as of now. But I'm going to actually try this for the next couple days. I am actually going away for 3 or 4 days. So I figured, what a great time to bring this with me. I'll fully charge it today, bring it with me, and I can see if I feel more awake, more relaxed, and more on the ball. Can you be any more on the ball than me? Yeah, probably. Probably. 100% for sure. Probably. Anyways, should I just wear this to the mall and stuff like that? I think so. I'm going to wear it driving. Yep, I'm wearing it driving. That's what I'm doing. You think I'm kidding, but I'm not. All right, I will see you guys in a couple days. For you, it'll be like instantaneously. So stay tuned. Okay, so I have been wearing this now for the last couple of days, and um, first off, the nice thing is that it's not obtrusive at all. You know, you just kind of wear it. As you see, I just kind of have it sitting here by my desk, so you can just kind of put it on when you feel like it. Uh, is it affecting me? Honestly, I don't know. I've been sleeping pretty good, but it's not that I don't normally sleep good. So I'm not 100% sure, but my sleep hasn't gotten worse. Has it gotten better? Maybe. And I don't know if it's something that you have to wear like a longer period of time. Have I become a cognitively sharper? Well, maybe the bar is low, but you know, possibly. I was walking around with Monique, not wearing it, but I was noticing things and she's like, "How did you even notice that?" So possibly I have gained some form of superpower. Maybe. Again, I seem to be aware of things. It's not necessarily a spider sense, but again, maybe. Uh, I think I think something like this, again, it could help. And I think if you are maybe a person that has problems sleeping or has problems with calmness, which I can have at occasion, I will admit to that. Um, as well as maybe someone that's, you're going to be doing stuff, you're studying, you're someone that, needs to use their brain function a lot and heavily. Any kind of perk could be beneficial. Um, Did I notice like, "Oh my gosh, I'm, like, incredibly smarter right now." So I would say I'm 33.8% smarter. I don't think I noticed that. But again, that's kinda hard to measure, right? It's hard to measure. Again, I do feel maybe more awake, like, more alert than I normally am, but again, I don't know if that has anything to do with anything else that's going on in my life. Um, Maybe you guys, if you get this, and I don't know necessarily the pricing on it. Um, you can leave comments down below. I think it's cool. I do like the warm feeling in my nose. I do like that, and it's not uncomfortable to wear. I do again wish that the straps were possibly a little longer, but other than that, I think it's neat. Does it do what it says it's gonna do? I don't know. It's honestly it's very hard for me to be able to tell. Um, Anyways, I will leave links to their Kickstarter. And if you guys are interested and if you get it and you try it out and you're like, it was amazing, then leave a comment below. And if you tried it and you're like, no, it didn't, then leave that comment below. It's because that's just as important. All right, guys, I'm out. Links down below. And I'll see you guys next video.